In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Klarna payments on Shopify. By the end, you'll have Klarna set up as a payment option so your customers can pay in flexible installments, which can really help boost conversions and average order value. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, this is the home screen where you see your store overview, orders, and recent activity. We're going to work entirely from this backend area, so keep it open in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. From the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This opens up the main settings area for your store, where you control things like general information, checkout, and of course, payments. Next, in the settings menu, click on Payments. This is where all your payment providers and methods live, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and any third-party providers you might have already connected. On the Payments page, look for the option that says Add Payment Method and click it. This will open a new window or panel where you can search through available payment providers that integrate with Shopify. In the search bar labeled Search by Payment Method, type Klarna. Give it a second, and you should see Klarna appear in the results. When you see it listed, click on Klarna to continue. You'll now see more detail about Klarna as a payment option. Here, Shopify may still give you a way to filter or search by payment method, just to ensure you're choosing the right integration that works with Klarna. At this point, Shopify will show you several compatible providers that can process Klarna payments for your store, such as Ping Pong Checkout, Checkout.com, or 2 Advanced User iPay. Choose the one you already have an account with. If you don't have an account with any of them yet, you'll need to create one on their website first, then come back to the step so you can connect it properly. Once you've selected your provider, you'll see an option to install. Click Install. Shopify will then show a confirmation screen explaining the permissions this provider needs. Click Install again to confirm and proceed. After the installation is complete, you'll be taken to a page where you connect the provider to your store by adding your account information and credentials. Carefully fill in the required fields, save your changes, and Klarna will now be enabled as a payment method on your Shopify store.